Are you interested in becoming a registered nurse in 2021? If so, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year. I hope this year is full of blessings for you and your family. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can become a registered nurse in 2021. Okay guys, so let's get started right with the video. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is that some people ask how they can go from high school straight into nursing school. So this is kind of what I did. So there are some nursing programs that allow you to go straight out of high school to the nursing school, but they have like certain requirements that you need to do. Like for example, you need to have a certain SAT score, ACT score. You have to have taken some science courses, some math courses and English courses in high school. Depends on which program. I think there's very few that do this, but you can do your research and see what you have to do if you're still in high school and you want to get into a nursing program straight out of high school. Okay guys, so the first thing that you have to do in order to become a registered nurse is to get into a nursing program. You have to do a lot of research to see which nursing program is good for you. Two of the most common ones are the associate's degree and the bachelor's degree in nursing. I made a video about this. I'm gonna put it right here if you want to go check it out. So yeah, the first thing that you have to do is research what nursing program you want to go to. Finish your prerequisites and everything, and then apply to the program and get in. So for example, some programs do require you to take prerequisite courses before going into the nursing program. For example, some science courses like chemistry, organic chemistry, anatomy and physiology, and things like that. And then when you finish your prerequisite courses, you can apply to the nursing program. Also, there are some nursing programs that they accept you, and then you finish your prerequisite courses, and then you go straight to the nursing courses. Okay guys, so the second thing you need to do in order to become a registered nurse is complete your nursing program and then graduate from your nursing program. I know I make it sound so easy. It's not easy. It is quite hard. Nursing school is quite hard, but this is why I started my YouTube channel, in order to help you guys get through nursing school. I'm going to link the videos right here that I have made of certain classes that are quite hard, but I give you some tips that will help you get through them. So if you have any video recommendations of any classes that you want me to talk about and give you some tips, then make sure to leave a comment down below. Okay guys, so the next thing that you have to do in order to become a registered nurse is that you have to study for the NCLEX and then pass it. So the NCLEX is basically a standardized test that helps determine your eligibility to get your RN license. Don't be scared to take this test. Yes, it is hard, but the nursing program that you are in or that you're going to be in is going to help you get the necessary knowledge that you need in order to pass this test. So you should, in your own time, study for it and look for resources that might help you. Like for example, there's nursing.com. They have a section that I'm pretty sure is just for like studying for the NCLEX. Also, Picmonic has a book that is a review for the NCLEX. I'm gonna put a picture right here or a video to show you guys. If you guys want me to make a review of that book, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also, if you are a registered nurse or you have taken the NCLEX before, please leave a comment down below of any study tips that you have for my subscribers. Also, for the NCLEX, some other things you can do is a lot of practice questions. You can see review books. There are also certain courses that you can enroll in that are specifically to help you study for the NCLEX. You can get advice from other nurses or other people that have taken the NCLEX, and they can give you tips about it. So after you have studied for the NCLEX and then passed, then you need to apply to get your registered nurse license in your state. I'm not really going to be talking about this because every state is different. Like for example, I live in New York State. The paperwork and everything that I have to do to get my RN license is going to be different from someone, let's say, that lives in Florida. So this is something that you have to do your own research for. Okay guys, so the next thing, after you get your nursing license, you can apply for a nursing job. So there are many specialties that you can apply to. For example, in the ER, pediatrics, in the ICU, dermatology. There are many specialties that you can work in. Also, there's this thing called nurse residency program. That is basically a training program in your job that they will basically train you for, like, I think six months. I guess it depends on what nurse residency program you're in, but it's basically like a training they give you. So they don't just like throw you into work, they train you. Okay guys, so I also wanted to talk about continuing education. For example, after you get your job, trainings and certifications that you can get depends on the job you have. For example, if you're an ICU nurse, you can get your critical care nurse certification or something like that. Also one, I think, for ER nurses. So there's always like certifications and continuing education things that you can do, which I'm pretty sure they will pay you more if you do this. Let me know in the comments down below if I'm right, if you know. With the same topic of continuing education, after you have like certain experience, or even I think with no experience, you can go apply to a master's degree program or a doctorate degree program to become either a nurse practitioner, nurse anesthetist, a nurse midwife, and I forgot, I think there's one more, but I'm not sure. But yeah, you can get a master's degree or a doctorate degree to continue your education. This will bring more money to you, and I get more education. So yeah. Also, if you would like me to do a how to become a nurse practitioner or a certified registered nurse anesthetist, then make sure to leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to make a video for you guys. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys have any recommendations for videos that you want to see in this new year, please make sure to leave them on the comments down below. Bye guys!